Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locking down exact components and a working prototype. Order a micro OLED, a compact waveguide, and a SLAM camera, MACU, and battery. Once parts arrive, print a quick 3D frame and assemble the PCB from your gerbers. Solder power rails first, then signal lines. Make sure to verify pinouts and power sequencing. Mistakes fry modules fast. Once done, mount the display and align the waveguide roughly. You will refine alignment in the next phase. You now align optics precisely. Iterate tilt and focal distance until the micro OLED image couples into the waveguide with minimal ghosting. Log offsets in mm. Simultaneously, flash firmware. Enable a display pipeline, decode frames, and run head tracking with SLAM Fusion so latency stays under 30 ms. Make sure power management delivers stable 3V and Core 1. 2V rails. Route thermal paths to the frame to avoid hot spots. You finish with user calibration. Run color and chromatic corrections, map the eye box, and set interpupillary distance profiles for comfort. Then implement safety limits. Cap luminance, add a hardware failsafe that cuts display power on fault, and secure cables and straps for durability. If things go wrong, isolate the power first, then swap suspected modules systematically. Use UART logs to pinpoint firmware or sensor errors. Once done, perform a full user test. Adjust and iterate until stable and comfortable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.